Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4 available for your iPhone? So I already installed and set up the application what EARFUN offer for the earbuds, and it's called EARFUN Audio. If we open it, we can check list with supported devices. Click at the plus, now and try to find it, and if you cannot, we can check it. So our model is Air Pro 4, and if this model will be in the list, it means that the application available for it. So click manual settings, and I already see these earbuds right here at the left top. So my short answer is yes, the application available for these earbuds. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up the application or how to add these earbuds to the app, we have videos about it at this channel, so you can check it. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!